Oh my. We're basically not here to do anything but to get Juliet so you can be smarter than anything. We got that girl. Oh shit. Look at that. Alligator. Alligators are cool. I like to look at them and eat them up. Nah, JK, I don't eat animals. Actually, I do, but that's not the point.
Yes, that's not the point.
Yeah, totally.
Totally not the point.
Totally, I'm a shit. Oh shit. The penguin is back. Penguin is back. Penguin is back. We need to grab our cool Pokemon. What do you mean by Pokemon, Akira? So took the penguin. Killed them all. Kill them all, my beautiful cat. Hey, look at that ghost cat right there. Ghost cat is nice. Cat is good. Ghost cat can hit. Ghost cat is cool. Send out something else than these because I'm gonna kill all of them with my beautiful Juliet. Finally, a pig. Hello there, pig.
Romeo.
Romeo!
Hi, Romeo.
Romeo, how could you? Romeo! Juliet.
That was Sylvester Pet.
Yeah, sure. Can we take out the two?
You unlock already, ah?
Yeah.
What does it do?
Until it finds the enemy.
There's no enemy because your gate is killing everything.
I know, my beautiful cat. Alright, we'll have to try. Let us kill the cat. Whoa, let's kill myself. Hello. You know what? Let's do Philippines. Attack Philippines. What? So you just have to wait. Hey, come back! Oh, guys here. What? Hey, you. Look. Okay, wait. We need to get it too. Come here. I need to show you the cute. Here you go.
What? You just jump on the...
That's right.
You're so bouncy.
I want to show you my best cat. I want to show you the cow cat. The cow cat is very nice. So. Boom, look at that. We're killing all of you. The beautiful bean cats are doing it. They are so fat.
This is why you have
How did they kill the cow? They killed the beautiful cow with all the weird ass humans. Died. Fire. Yeah, killed all the humans in one shot. What? Whoa. Spoon, dude, you can do this too. Spoon, so cool. Gonna just show all the cool cats I got and all that. Not that, but anyway. 100. I'm gonna show you my new cute cats that are nice. Hey, it's Spoons. You like spoons? I bet you do. Spoon. They just have to wait to fire the cannon. Fire the cannon, my child. Okay, so I think I already do it. Now I already showed the bean cat, so now we have to show the beautiful lizard cat. And this one and only Titan cat. Lizard.
Lizard who?
The lizard.
Lizard who?
Lizard cat.
Lizard who? Oh.
Lizard cat. How are they killing my place? Like seriously? Cow cat, go. Cow. Cow. Okay, just wait until this and then you're gonna see the best thing ever, okay? Oh, hell, the mighty Titan cat. So, can I upgrade anything?
No, you can't.
Yes, I can. Do you want me to upgrade?
Isn't it over already?
Should I try? Oh yeah, I didn't equip some of them. So I'm gonna equip some of the cats I didn't use.
Except for her.
What the hell? Yes. Hi. Hi, Mom. Why?
Go.
No. No, I've not.